So welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover the module that is large language models, and here we have two modules. Okay, so most of them contain quizzes, so I'm just opening it one by one. We are opening the first module. Mostly it will contain the quiz, so you have to come down over here and just try to answer these questions. So like this, we completed this particular module, and now you have to come over here and just open the second module like this. Just scroll down. First question, second one. So finally, we have completed the first part, that is get started with artificial intelligence basics. Okay, so all the solutions are live for this particular module and I have uploaded it also, so you can just check it out in the playlist section too. Now coming over here for the next section, I'll be uploading it that also.